Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Kenmore top load washer with dual action agitator. If you're in the market for a new washing machine, you won't want to miss this review. First off, let's talk about capacity. This washer has a spacious 3.5 cubic feet. Capacity, large enough to clean 14 towels in a single load. That's perfect for families or anyone with a lot of laundry to tackle. The dual action agitator is a game changer when it comes to cleaning power. It cleans in two different directions to ensure even washing for every cycle and efficiently cleans ground and dirt and tough stains. You can say goodbye to struggling with tough stains and hello to cleaner clothes. And when it comes to customization, this washer has got you covered. With 11 wash cycles and 5 wash temperatures, you can easily customize each load for the right type of cleaning. From bulky bedding to delicate items, this washer can handle it all. But that's not all. The deep fill option allows you to increase the water level for your larger loads to keep your towels, clothing, linens, and more perfectly mixed up during the wash cycle. And if you're thinking about pairing this washer with a dryer, it measures 27.5 watts x 27D x 43H to top of cabinet and 46.5H when the lid is open, and it pairs perfectly with the Kenmore 60222 electric dryer or Kenmore 70222 gas dryer, sold separately, for a complete laundry set. So whether you're tackling tough stains, washing bulky bedding, or taking care of delicate items, the Kenmore top load washer with dual action agitator has got you covered. If you're ready to take your laundry game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your very own Kenmore top load washer today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review.